Hello everyone, welcome to the Camino videos. Today we are hiking around 19 kilometers from Tui to Porriño. It will be a nice hike because it's not too short and not too long. Because if it's not too short, because sometimes when it's too short, the next day you're not ready for a long hike. So I am excited for this moderately tough hike. So we are in Tui right now, and Tui has been a beautiful city because we've seen there are lots of churches, as you can see, one behind me. But we saw the main church, and the main church was beautiful. We took this audio guide and a guide of the whole church. There was a lot of things to see there. There's a tower. We could go to the top and see a panorama view of the Rio Minho, which was beautiful because we could see Portugal, Spain, and the Rio Minho at the same time. So it was a very beautiful view. And I like Tui because it's like a small, it looks like a village at first sight with the small roads. But then when you go into Tui, there's actually a lot of places that are beautiful and good to see in Tui. So I'm excited to reach Porriño, but in Porriño we won't be. It's not really a big place where there are a lot of sights to see. It's just an industrial city. So we won't really be able to talk about lots of beautiful things to see there. But when we go further up to like Pontevedra or Redondela, I think we would be able to see lots more beautiful things. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next destination.